Hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you the bamboo towels. They're kitchen towels. There's 6 of them in a package. They are bamboo fiber. Okay, pull these out, shall we? Actually, I like these. They're to clean. The dish cloths to wash with the dishes. So there's one. Let me do it this way so I can lay them down. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to see about washing my dishes with these and see what happens, because, you know, now everything is coming in bamboo, so these should be really good. But if you like them, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you later. I love you, and I'll leave everything in the comment section for you. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.